In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Forex watch list for beginners with TradingView. If you're new to Forex or to TradingView, a clean, focused watch list is one of the fastest ways to speed up your analysis. We'll move from the chart, open the watch list panel, and add the currency pairs you care about, all in just a few minutes. Start by opening TradingView and heading to the chart page. This is where you'll spend most of your time analyzing the market. Once the chart loads, give it a moment to finish pulling data. The interface can look busy at first, but everything you need is on the right side of the screen. Next, open the watchlist panel. You'll find it docked along the right. If it's collapsed, click it to expand. This panel is simply a list of instruments you want to track. Keeping it tidy will make scanning the market faster and less stressful, especially when the session is moving. If something else is in there by default, that's okay. You can keep it or remove it later. With the panel open, choose Add Symbol. This brings up the search window where you can look up instruments. Think of this as your gateway to every market TradingView offers. We'll focus on Forex, but the same process works for stocks, crypto, and more. Use the search bar if you already know the ticker you want, but don't add anything just yet. We'll filter first to make sure you're seeing currency pairs only. Inside the search window, click the Forex tab. This filters the results to currency pairs and reduces the noise. Now select the pairs you want to monitor. As a beginner, it's smart to start with a few major pairs like EURUSD, GBPUSD, or USD-JPY, then expand as you grow comfortable. Click a pair to add it to your list. Keep an eye on the exchange or data source label so you're consistent across your watch list. Once added, the pair appears instantly in the panel, and clicking it will load that chart in the main workspace. A couple of helpful tips as you finalize your list. Keep it focused so you're not overwhelmed. You can always add more later. Drag items to reorder them in the sequence you analyze each day, and remove anything you're not actively trading. TradingView typically saves your watch list automatically when you're signed in, so it's ready the next time you log in. That's it. You've opened the chart, accessed the watch list, added symbols, and filtered for Forex to build a clean, beginner-friendly list. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.